door. Just listen to his guitar and you'll know the score.
Please, Mr. Jailer, let an honest man go free.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Please, Mr. Jailer, don't you make no lifer out of me. I'm innocent, I swear it. Let my woman testify. She'll tell you where I was that night.
I'll be satisfied.
Please, Mr. Jailer,
Won't you let my man go free?
well, I'm tired of pressing license plates down in this rotten hole. I gotta reach the outside before I lose control. Please, Mr. Jailer, don't you make no lifer out of me.
Walker, Wade Walker, au parloir, vous avez de la visite.